Michael! Don't leave me here! It's my house! Michael!
911, what's the emergency?
Macaulay, don't come on, dog!
Is there a box here? See more bots?
What do you mean you're leaving? You're a babysitter. Babysitters don't leave, they leave. Baby leavers sit.
Sorry, I really gotta go, Miss Walker.
Well, I need to come home right away. All right, thank you, Amy.
Attention, everyone! Jim McFlinigan!
Mr. Hum.
Coronavirus!
Fired.
Coronavirus!
I beg your pardon? Fired. But I...
As you know, tonight is our bi-monthly meet and greet party. Tonight's host is...
John C!
If your house is as messy as last time...
Someone lose a dog? I found him next door in my butt! Again.
I heard what you said. I'm not going to military school, Larry.
In the future, entertainment will be randomly generated.
Monkey, ignite it!
This is probably really strange for you, you know? Your mom's dating your mom, but here's the thing, son. Come here. I don't like you either.
I don't like you either.
Well, there are two treatments I'd recommend. One is a series of painful shots injected into your
Ass!
and kneecaps.
How many shots?
Enough to make a grown man cry.
Maestro!
Jeffrey Bezos!
Hairball.
What's that, pube?
Disgusting!
Tricks, kicks, and I'll...
Stop this right now!
Who said that?
Me! Remember the fish? Came home in a baggie, loved me for 2 weeks, and then...
Kids, you gonna listen to him? He drinks pee.
Motion sickness!
Big steak. But remember this, you can't have fun without
I can't breathe!
Whoa! Whoa! I knew that milk would come back to haunt me.
Help! Help!
So, kiddo, what do you want to do for fun?
I want to
Die!
Oh, yeah! Time to die!
For astounding products.
Hi, Phil Swift here for Flex Tape, the super strong waterproof tape that can instantly patch, bond, seal, and repair. Flex Tape is no ordinary tape. Its triple thick adhesive virtually welds itself to the surface, instantly stopping the toughest leaks.
Off. Well, that's interesting because... Son of a... I'm gonna stay. There's something I want to show you.
Something magical and full of wonder.
My gun!
I wonder how much his remains would go for on eBay.
Scared him away!
Dirty hoe. I'm sorry, baby. I love you.
That ought to do it.
Excuse me, sir.
Hi there, would you like to sign my petition?
Get out of my way, hippie.
Look, just sign the stupid petition. I've got stuff to do.
What will it take to get you out of my face?
Would you please sign my petition?
With this large, oversized pen that requires
21
hands.
I see. Did you hold my penis?
Okay, I have a problem with the word
Penis!
I don't use the word per se because I think it's really, really wrong. Yeah. But I will happily hold your... But I will happily hold your... Nuts! More comfortable with that, really. Yeah, okay.
You're funny looking.
Got a funny looking face. Get in, come on. Let's go. Get in, hi, get in.
Get out of my room and play Minecraft!
Someone else should drive! All right, you win. Concrete, you drive.
Are you serious?
I don't know. A little voice inside of me is saying, this is a bad idea. But I can barely hear that little voice because an even louder little voice is screaming, Enemy easy, no dirty above! Now punch it!
This is dangerous!
I won't lie. This is definitely me when I'm driving.
Honey, your cupcakes are a huge hit. What did you put in them?
Rock cocaine.
Mom, you can make cupcakes out of anything.
Are you telling me you can make cupcakes out of anything?
Anything.
Are you telling me you can make cupcakes out of anything?
Anything.
Anything?
Anything.
Anything?
Anything.
Anything.
I put crack in their hot dogs.